Assalamu alaikum. This is Shaheen Iqbal with you. Today, I'd like to discuss pedagogy, Andragogy, Heutagogy. Sometimes the words are pronounced as pedagogy, Andragogy, Heutagogy. What are the differences among these three? Three systems of teaching: pedagogy, Andragogy, Heutagogy. Remember, Peda, we know, pediatric. Peda means child. Gogi means leading. Okay, so here pedagogy means leading to child, child leading, teaching child, teaching children. Andragogy. Andra means adult, man. Gogi leading. Leading man, adult. Heutagogy, Heuta means self-directed learning, leading. Pedagogy, Andragogy, Heutagogy. But frankly speaking, we pronounce them in this way: pedagogy, Andragogy, Heutagogy. Okay, pedagogy. As already told, children's learning. The learner is a dependent personality. Teacher determines what, how, and when anything is learned. The learner has few resources. The teacher devises transmission techniques to store knowledge in the learner's head. Learner Learners here learn in order to advance to the next stage. Next stage means suppose from class or grade 1 to grade 2 or class 2, in this way. Okay. Usually formal learning in schools, colleges, madrasas, universities, these learnings are called pedagogical learning. Okay. Here teacher teaches learners or students. It is an art and science of teaching students and children. Okay, pedagogy. Next, andragogy, adult learning, man learning. Okay, adults are independent. They strive for autonomy and self-direction in learning. Adults use their own and others' experience. Adults learn when they experience a need to know or to perform more effectively. Okay, yeah. Adults are independent. They don't depend on anybody else or also teachers. Okay, andragogy. Last one is heutagogy. It is self-directed learning. Learners are interdependent. Interdependent means they depend on one another. They identify the potential to learn from novel experiences as a matter of course. They are able to manage their own learning. Teacher provides some resources, but the learner decides the path by negotiating the learning. Learning is not necessarily planned or linear. Learning is not necessarily based on need, but on the identification of the potential to learn in novel situations. Okay, Heutagogy. In short and in fine, we can say pedagogy is the teaching of children or dependent personalities. Here, students and children depend on teachers. Andragogy is the facilitation learning for adults who are self-directed learners. Heutagogy is the management of learning for self-managed learners. I hope you have got the points. Thank you. Wish you all the best.